and you will get this screen. Now here we have the first name of the customer, the last name of the customer, his address, his apartment number. You will select the country over here. You can just write it over here and you can select the country. Now if the country is United States, then you have to enter the first two letters of the state. Otherwise, for any other country, any string will work in state. Now in city, you have to enter the city, in zip code, the postal code, date of birth, the date of birth of the customer, email ID of the customer, phone number of the customer. If you'll click on shipping info, same as billing info, the details over here will be filled automatically over here. Here's the card type, the amount, you have to select the currency, the card number, the expiry month, the expiry year, CVV number. Now there's a field called IP address over here. There are two options. Either you put the actual IP address of the customer over here, or if you're not having the actual IP address of the customer, then you have to generate an IP which actually belongs to the place where the customer is residing. For this, you can go to ip.hostronica.com. Now over here, select the country for which you need the IP. When you select the country, this will give you a selection for the state of the country. Select the state and it will allow you to select the city where your customer belongs. As soon as you'll select this city, you will get an IP address over here. Copy this IP address and just paste it into the IP address field. Once you paste in the IP address field, fill in all the details, click submit, and your sale will be submitted and completed. Thank you.